Hello guys, welcome to Khou. We will draw a little cute panda. First off, we draw an oval shaped eye for our panda, and then one more oval shape here. In between, we'll give him a nose, like so. Then, we'll draw two tiny curves for his smile. There. Very good. Now, we will give him his head shape. We put a few dots as our guide to draw. We start with a curved line on the left first. After that, one more across to the right. Another curved line here as well. Now we connect the head and done. From here, we draw a half circle for the ear. Then, one more over here as well. Next, we will draw the body along with these lines here. From here, we curve down and one more on the right side. We will now connect across the body. Like this. Very good. Now let's move to our arms. From here, we draw up and then we curve back down, like so. We'll draw one more across the body part here. We draw a bit down to the left and then curve back up like so. Now draw a line for our panda's black and white stripes. Very good. Next, we'll give him his legs. We draw two short lines here and here. Then we draw up slightly, then down to finish it. One more. We curve a bit to the left, down, and curve back up into the body. Ta-da! A very cute, lazy panda. That's it guys, hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you in the next episode.